Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news.
U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio's recent visit to Jamaica has reinforced the strong partnership between the United States and Jamaica, highlighting collaborative efforts in security, trade, and regional stability. During his meeting with Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness, Rubio acknowledged Jamaica's significant progress in reducing crime rates and pledged to reassess the U.S. travel advisory to better reflect the current situation. Rubio emphasized the deep-rooted connections between the two nations, noting that between 800,000 and 1 million Jamaicans reside in the United States, particularly in Florida. He expressed a commitment to building upon these ties by exploring opportunities for expanded trade, manufacturing, and investment. Rubio identified Jamaica as a prime candidate for increased manufacturing relocation, stating that it makes more sense to have more manufacturing relocated to our hemisphere, and highlighted America's interest in exporting liquefied natural gas, LNG, to the Caribbean. In terms of security cooperation, Rubio announced U.S. support for initiatives such as the Joint Operations for the Logistics and Technology JOLT Fusion Center, aimed at tackling lottery scamming and cyber-enabled crime. He also revealed plans to provide synthetic detection equipment for Jamaica's forensic labs and software, including night vision technology, to aid in gang suppression efforts. Rubio acknowledged the transnational nature of crime, including illegal gun trafficking and the growing influence of non-governmental criminal organizations, emphasizing the need for collaborative efforts to address these challenges. Additionally, Rubio addressed concerns regarding Cuba's medical missions in the region, which the U.S. government has criticized as instances of forced labor, while acknowledging the vital role of Cuban medical staff in saving lives, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic. Caribbean leaders, including Jamaican officials, have rejected these claims, asserting that their agreements with Cuba comply with labor laws and do not involve forced labor or trafficking. Rubio's visit to Jamaica underscores the United States' commitment to strengthening its relationship with Caribbean partners through enhanced security cooperation, economic development, and mutual respect for each nation's sovereignty and labor practices.